everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivek Kumar and this is day 9 English speaking practice. In today's videos I want to talk about my why I am learning English and what challenge I face and how I am trying to improve myself every day. English is a global language. It's helped out to communicate to people with people and from different countries and cultures. For me English is important for my education, my career and my personal growth. Earlier, I could understand English quite well. I could read English and listen to English video. But when it come to speaking, I felt nervous. I was afraid of making mistake. I used to think, what if my pronunciation is wrong? What if my sentence is not correct? Because of this fear, I avoided speaking English for my long time. But one day I realized something important. If we don't speak I will never improve, so I decided to start speaking even I make a mistake there. That is why I started this daily English speaking practice series. Every day I recorded video and upload in your YouTube. Some days I speak better, some days I struggle, but I never stop. One thing I'm focusing on now is pronunciation. I try to speak slowly and clearly. I listen to my own video. I notice my sometimes my pronunciation sound like in Indian English. Sometimes it's closer to British English. My goal is improve my British English pronunciation step by step. I now it will be take time, but I am patient. Another thing I am learning is the sentence formation. Earlier my sentences were broken, but I incomplete. But now slowly they are getting better. I have understand one thing very clearly. Practice more important that grammar rule. Grammar is improve naturally when you speak regularly. Confidence also improve when you stop the earning at perfection every day. I try to improve just 1%. I don't compare myself with other. I'm compare myself and with a study version of. For me, some people learn fast, some people learn slowly. Both are okay. What matters is consistency. If you are watching this video and you are also learning English, I want to tell you one thing. But don't be afraid to speak, make mistakes, learn from them. Speak every day, even if it only for 5 minutes. English is a skill, and a skill improve the practice. I am still learning, and I will keep learning. And this journey is not easy, but it are worth it. This was my day 9 English speaking practice. Thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my journey. I will come back tomorrow with day 10 and new topics. Until then, keep practice, keep improving, and believing in yourself. Thank you. Radhe Radhe.